No matter how fancy or down and out, every restaurant in the Canary Islands will serve mojo, an intensely flavored sauce with infinite variations in one powerful commonality: garlic. The name mojo comes from the Spanish word for wet, mojare. It's used to soak with any food on the table, so the name fits. The two most common mojos, mojo verde and mojo rojo, are typically served side by side. Mojo verde is usually spooned over white fish and lighter meats, while mojo rojo is reserved for dark fish and fattier cuts. Making mojo is a straightforward, almost Neolithic process. They're all done with a mortar and pestle or in a pot using the same technique. You start by crushing the garlic into a paste with some salt and a little cumin. Once mashed up, the Canaries add pepper that they call la puta de la madre, which we probably shouldn't translate here. After that, some vinegar and wine go in for acidity, and then oil is mixed in to give the sauce body. When we first arrived in the Canaries, we expected much of the cuisine to mirror the food of Spain. But the first bite of food we had, papas arrugadas with mojo rojo, quickly showed how unique the food of these islands really is.